Well, hello, and thank you for joining me this afternoon. My name is John Occhi. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams and the Excellence in Real Estate team. I would like to thank you for joining me today to preview this video. This is a short video, a series of 1 to 4 parts that covers the written report that I have prepared for my investment clients that's entitled, How to Get the Best Loan for Your Investment Property. Because the truth be told is that financing for investment property is completely different than financing for the home that you live in. So if you'd like a copy of this report at the end of this, the written copy of this report at the end of this video, I will have instructions on how you can contact me to obtain your copy. So without any further ado, let me just jump right into it. And the first question that you need to ask yourself when you're trying to get the best loan for your Hemet investment property is to find the right mortgage broker. Finding a mortgage broker is pretty easy. They're out there a dime a dozen, just like a realtor. However, finding the right one is what's critical. You want to interview several. You want to make sure that they have experience and resources for investment property, that this isn't just something they do when it comes along, but that they're actively pursuing and marketing and working with investors and funding investor loans. And if you can't find one, then a realtor, if you're working with a realtor to find your property, undoubtedly if you've picked the right one who specializes and works a lot with investment property, then you should have someone who is ready, able, and willing to have a mortgage broker that he works with on a regular basis, that there's a rapport, there's an understanding, there's a bond, because they're working together for a common goal. And that's what you're looking for, is professionals who form teams and alliances in order to accommodate the needs of the clients. Makes your job a whole lot easier than trying to piecemeal many different vendors together. So it's always best to work with vendors who have other vendors that they work with. And don't worry, they're not paying each other off for the lead. That's totally illegal. It's against RESPA, which is the Real Estate Settlement Practices Act, federal legislation which prohibits that type of activity. But what does work is that when a realtor can communicate directly with a lender, find out what's going on with the loan, what kind of requirements are being met or not being met, what's required, timelines, and so on. So an alliance is a very important integral part. However, if you can't find a realtor who can help you, or you're choosing to go the route yourself and buy without a real estate agent, well, what can I say? Shame on you. But no, the reality is that there's a lot of investors who are pretty savvy and they do find their own property. So if that's the case, then there's a number of different places you can look. You can look in the newspaper. Read the classified ads. You're sure to find people there. You can also go online. There's a website that's called CRE Online. I believe that stands for Commercial Real Estate Online. And there's a tab there where you can find investment clubs throughout the entire United States. So if that's what you're looking for, is a place where you can meet other investors and find resources available to resources, systems, trainings, and most importantly, for the sake of this conversation, you can find lenders who invest in commercial or investment property. So I wish you the best of luck. As I said, this is a short video. This is part 1 of part 4. Join me for the second part where I'm going to discuss your credit score. And if you would like a written copy of this report, you can obtain it by sending me an email at thehouseseller, that's THEHOUSESELLER That's G as in Google, mail, like US mail, M-A-I-L. So contact me and I'll be more than happy to send a copy of my written report off to you directly. And please do tune in to part 2 of this short video series. Thanks again. You have a great day. God bless to you and yours. Until next time, make every day a great day.